In this video, I'd like to discuss with you the keys to getting your CV put into the interview pile and not into the bin pile. So employers get hundreds and hundreds of CVs every year, and they get many applications for each job that they post online. So how do we get our CV into the interview pile? Well, the basics are have a good design, have a good layout, and fill out the CV as well as you possibly can. If you're not sure about what a good design looks like or what a good layout is, please check below this video for 2 sample templates that I have uploaded there. That's a good place to start. After that, you want to fill out these the job titles as well as you can. You want to fill out your education as well as you can, and so on and so forth. But that's not enough, because everyone does that, and we can't be the same as everyone, because if we're the same as everyone, it's very difficult to distinguish ourselves. So how do we break through the initial barrier? Well, if we look at the job advertisement online and we look at the specification of what they're looking for, what are the job specs? What are the key attributes? What are the skills? What are the qualification, the experience? What do they want? We take those into consideration, and we also look at our career highlights to date. So what are the best things we have done? What's the best experience we've got? What's the best results we have got? What achievements have we done in our career to date? And if we combine both of those and we put them together, we want to put them at the very top of our CV in 5 or 6 bullet points. So if the employer looks at your CV and they look at the job spec, within a moment, within 3 to 4 to 5 seconds, they can look at the top of your CV and see the best things about you, and also the best things that relate you to this specific job. That's going to make the difference between getting put into the bin or getting put into the interview pile. Let me give you a quick example. If the employer is looking for 5 years experience doing a project management job or a marketing job, and if you have that experience, at the very top of the CV, bullet point 1, I have 5 years experience doing project management or doing marketing. Give them the answer that they're looking for. If they're looking for someone who has experience in a particular industry, if they're looking for someone who has a particular qualification, for example, we want someone who has a master's in XYZ. If you have that master's at the very top of your CV, successfully completed master's in XYZ, then without going to too much trouble, they know that you have what they need. So 5 or 6 bullet points at the top of your CV, highlighting your career achievements to date in relation to the job specifications of the advertised job. That is the key to getting you put into the interview pile.